Hi, everybody. So hopefully you'll give me a little bit of time to show you this. This is my first time using both the audio and the hover camera. So this is for Battle by the Numbers enrichment. And as you can tell, I've already filled in the top Battle of Harlem Heights, the date, the commander on the British side and the commander on the American side, known as the Continental Army. And then I filled in my statistics. So I have troops, the number of people killed, the number of people injured. This is all for the British. And then on the American side, I have troops killed, injured. And I've done the location, which is in Harlem, New York. And then I've already also determined that the Americans won this battle. But now what I want to do is I want to actually show what the percentages are here. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. So I'm actually going to use a calculator, and you can as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the total number of American troops, 2,000, to the total number of troops altogether. And that's going to come from these two numbers. I'm going to add them up. So I know I can do that in my head. 5,000 plus 2,000 is 7,000. Okay. And on my calculator, I'm going to type that in, 2,000. And remember that this fraction bar means divide. So I'm going to divide by 7,000. And this is the percent that I get, or the decimal. So I'm going to round that to the closest percent. And that's about 29%. Okay, so how do I do that on my circle graph? So you will need to use one of these and make sure that you pay attention to that center right there, and you're going to line it up with the very bottom of this line, and the 0 is going to go here. So I'm going to move that in. I might actually even put my pen there to keep it lined up. You'll be doing this with a pencil. So here's my 0, and I want to make sure that I'm showing this at 29%. So that's a little less than 30. And I'm going to put a little tick mark there. That's going to be my radius. And I'm going to draw a line from the center to the outer edge of the circle. And then this will become the American portion, British compared to Americans.